On a Sunday in April, I woke up early and took trains from Daegu to Seoul. From Seoul, I took a bus southeast and through blossom-covered roads and winded up hills to the hidden palace Namhansanseong. This place was an emergency fallback fortress from the Joseon Dynasty of Korea. The place rests in a bowl that sits on top of a small mountain. My plan was to walk around the roughly 6-kilometer main wall. And after touring the temple fortress in the middle of the mountains, then it was time for me to work my way towards the walls. Then at a certain point I came across this area with these really pretty blossoms, and so I thought I would check it out, and it turns out that there was another temple tucked away on, I think it was the east side of the wall, either that or it was the north, and they had these cool wheels that spin. I'm assuming that there's some sort of meaning to it, but I don't really know. But it was a really cool place with really pretty trees, and they had a nice crafted bell. And then at about 40 minutes before sunset, I had made it. I had closed the loop of the fortress wall. I was taking a break and I was thinking, when am I ever going to be here again? And so I decided, even though it was a Sunday and I had to be to work the next day, I was going to stay and I was going to enjoy that sunset. And it was totally worth it. Seeing the sunset over Seoul was just gorgeous. I did have to make a mad sprint back down the hill, trying to get the last buses available to get a train back to my city. But man, this is an experience I'm not going to forget, and I'm so glad I went to this place.